is always how you have to start out a Miami Hurricanes football game. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stadium. I got a donut, and we may be here for the Miami Hurricanes versus Florida State football game, but we are most definitely locked out of our suite. Still fun though. Just waiting to eat this donut. I'm ready to sit down. I'm ready to watch some football, and the Canes are definitely about to dominate the Florida State Seminoles. We are already popping off, y'all. It is time. Florida State, Miami. It's gonna be real. What is that up there? Is that the Florida State band? What? Is that like the whole Florida State school? But let's go. Look. We're brawling. I love the brawls. Let's go. They're fighting. I love it. Come on, Perry. Yeah. Finally. Let's go. Hit him. Let's go. Drive. Buckle up, Perry. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, they were holding him. There's definitely some more there. Here we go. All right. Love it. Here we go. Perry. Come on, Homer. Here goes Perry. Oh yeah! That's what you needed. All right, Nicosi, let's try this again.
Come on.
I don't think that's going to get the job done. What should have been a pick turned into an FSU touchdown. The cornerback just let the wide receiver step in front of him. Jeff! Get up, Jeff! Here we go! Brawl! I want to brawl! At long last! A turnover! Come on, Perry. 27-7. Let's see him punch one in. Come on, Perry. 3rd and 3. Punch it in. Finally! Here we go. Perry. End zone. Safety. Let's go! Finally. Punch it in. Punch it in. Okay, editing this now, I just wanted to tell you guys that the next clips, I'm going to be leaving the stadium. I'll explain it. It was just getting late. But I do show the rest of the game footage from the broadcast, so stay tuned. Don't click out. See the rest of the vlog. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, though. If you guys are new, smash the sub button. I will catch you guys next time. Editor Jake is out. Seminoles almost just scored. That would have been absolutely terrible. But we're out of here. This Bentley is bumping, and so is Hard Rock Stadium, y'all. Something is happening.
Get the ball in the best situation with a safety 20 yards deep. Those are the players, and that is a redshirt freshman that's grown up over the course of these 60 minutes, Bob. That if he stares at the middle of the field or he looks at Brevin, there is no chance where A.J. Westbrook is lined up, but instead he looks the safety out. He's got the matchup on Brooks that he wants to feast upon, and he does for the biggest play yet with still 11 minutes to go.
Still no name for him yet, but everybody, this is going to effectively end the vlog. I am in love with this car. I cannot wait for the modifications to start rolling in. These vents right here, these louvers, or I wouldn't even say louvers, but these diffusers really, just these are, I guess they're really intakes because they are functional with the engine. These are insane. You can feel the torque, 45 more torque than the 17. It's just, it's a new world, and I can't wait to start modifying it. Thank you guys so much for watching this. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Smash the sub button if you are new. We have amazing content every single day coming out for you guys. And I will see you guys tomorrow for another amazing vlog. So YouTube, bye-bye.